you're in an environmental area and we had a map of rare vegetation, okay, you might say, okay, let's select all parcels that are undeveloped, that are zoned for industrial land, that have rare species in them. Now, these are the sorts of queries that we can make through having this database approach, okay? So we have this, all these buttons in here. So we've made this selection, we've typed that address in, and we've clicked search, and we've found 32K, right? If we were to click everything starting with KE, so that's Keel Cape Drive and Kennedy Lane, okay? So we could unselect all those if we wanted. What we did do is we moved our selection to the top so that we could see them at the top of the table. We could invert the selection, so we could say, now what I want to see is have selected is everything that doesn't start with 32K, which would be, or KE, sorry, which would be 32 KC's Way, Cathy Ann Lane or whatever, 28 Highland Street, down to the 15-odd thousand records that are, or rows or addresses that are in this table. We could copy these to somewhere else. We can, let's do this, zoom the map to the selected areas. Okay, and here we go. This one's highlighted and this one's highlighted, right? And if we use this button here, whoops, that's 32 Kennedy Lane, okay? All right, the other thing we can do is we can center the map on the selected rows, which is probably where we're at the moment. If I was to just select one of them, okay, just to highlight one of them and click on this, it's going to center the map to there. And very trickily, if I was to edit the table and it comes up, it shows that it's all editable. This allows me to do a whole bunch of things. It allows me to add that new column that I was talking about, so that we could information about whether a block of land was developed or not. We could, if we called the column the wrong name, we could delete it. And this here is very, very powerful. I just want to quickly show you this. This is where we can do those sorts of queries that I was just talking about. So we could within this, and I know this is a bit daunting, so I don't want to talk about it too much, but this is the area that we can ask the database, you know, show me or tell me the area of all the parcels I've selected, or sort of queries like that. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that goes on in there. Anyway, that is all I wanted to show you for the moment, and that's the open attribute table item. Okay.